Everyone's talking about Grok, xAI's powerful video generator, but it's locked behind a Premium Plus subscription that costs $30 a month. But what if I told you there's a completely free alternative that can produce the same, sometimes even better, cinematic AI videos with full sound, zero watermark, no subscription, and no limits. Unlimited generations. Let me show you exactly how. If you're always looking for ways to access premium AI tools without spending a dime, you're in the right place. So subscribe. Now let's be real, Grok's video generation is impressive. We're not going to deny that. But here's the reality. Most people don't want to pay $30 every single month just to generate a few videos. And even with the paid plan, there are still limits. What we're using today gives you unlimited video generation, powered by one of Google's most advanced AI video models, and it costs absolutely nothing. The tool is called Opal, and it's currently available for free as an early access experiment. Opal is a tool that lets you build apps. So today, we're going to create our own free video generator using it. First, go to Google's Opal. You'll find the link in the description box. You can see it's in an experimental state, and that's why it's free right now. Then log in first. Keep the checkmark selected and confirm if you want to receive upcoming updates. From the Your Opal Apps section, click on Create New. Here we have to build our app. Don't worry, it's just a one-prompt task. Copy this prompt, paste it here, and hit Generate. It will start building our app. Our app will appear here, and within 50 seconds, it will be ready to use. Now we can create unlimited videos using this app. Click Start. We have to describe our video here, which means we need to paste our video prompt. Copy the video prompt with camera movement and paste it here. We'll upload our reference image in the upcoming step. Now hit Submit. Next, we have to type the video mood, which means the video's emotion. Go to ChatGPT again, copy the video emotion, and paste it here. Then hit Submit. Now we have to choose the visual aesthetic, which means the video style. Copy the video style, paste it here, and hit Submit. For video duration, type 8 seconds. Now we have to upload our reference image here. Upload the image and hit Submit. It will start analyzing the reference image and begin generating the video according to the selected style and mood. Here you can see the result. The video resolution is much higher compared to Grok, and you can also notice other details. However, if you click the Download Video option, the video opens in a new tab but doesn't load and can't be downloaded. The Download File option downloads the entire HTML page instead. This issue has been noticed recently. To download the video, toggle the top option from Editor to App. Then right-click on the video and simply download it. You can download 720p videos that way.
I wish you would stay.
I can't. Goodbye.
But if you want to generate videos using only the Grok model for free, check this video. You'll find a site and a trick there to generate unlimited videos using the Grok model.